happy, I don't even know what day it is, but I thought I would do a vlog. I feel like I haven't done a vlog in a while, so this is gonna be like a spend the day with me vlog. I thought it would be a perfect day because I have 2 events today, so it's gonna be a little bit busy. So yeah, I'm wearing my workout outfit because I just had my workout. I work out 4 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Wednesday and the weekend are my rest days. So if you haven't been following on Instagram or TikTok, that's the deal. So I'm actually putting my sneakers on to take the dogs out, and you can already hear that they're whining because they know that we're going OUTSIDE. So I'm putting my sneakers on and then I'll show you guys my outfit. All right, here is my fit. This is from Beyond Yoga. I will link all my favorite workout clothes and athletic wear in the description. So comfy and soft and comfortable. We're on our little walk. This is our routine, especially in the spring and summer and the fall. Usually winter, when it's really cold or it's snowing, is like the only time that we don't do our daily walks, but especially this time of year. So after my workout, I like to relax for 20 to 30 minutes, catch my breath, do a couple things in the house like clean or drink coffee, drink my water, whatever. And then I will take the dogs for their walk. And there's this little area by my house where they're able to run around. So when we're over there, I will show you guys how cute they are when they're free and able to run around. They love it so much. So yeah, and it's extra exercise for me. So Brucey, hi Brucey, hi Brucey. Oh, you're so cute. Hello, hello, so happy. Go.
Thank you everybody for coming out and joining us in this wonderful dialogue. I hope everybody leaves inspired and wanting to create. Nice to meet you. Oh, you smell good.
You too.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, so for this next event, we're going to a hotel rooftop called the Jimmy. It's a really cute place. It has a little pool. Super excited. This is my first event with Universal Standard. Also, the other event that you saw, I only got a couple clips from it because it was just kind of like an interview. Basically, McDonald's is doing this like Latino event where they're getting like artists and singers. So that was the singer Camilo. He's very famous, Colombian singer. And then they also had an artist, and she does all the art for the McDonald's that you see, like with the kind of tropical artwork. It was a really, really cool, informative interview. I got to learn about their kind of art process. I figured I'd do some B-roll while I did a voiceover. So I ran home. I kind of had a little, like just a short amount of time to change and get ready for the next thing. So I didn't have a chance to vlog, but this is my outfit. I really love it. It was giving very much Barbie vibes. Pink dress. I changed my phone case to Barbie. I just love the whole outfit. I'm actually going to the Barbie cafe in a couple days, and I think I'm going to rewear this entire outfit because it's so Barbie aesthetic that I think it would be perfect for the Barbie cafe. So if you see it again, don't say nothing. Also, these shoes are super comfortable. I wore them in Aruba every single day. They were the only heels that I brought. I will leave them linked down below as well as my whole outfit. So yeah, we're heading downtown. I always take Ubers. I always try to go comfortably, so enjoy the ride, and I'll see you at the gym. I'm by myself, so I wasn't able to film myself eating, but literally just stood on the street, ate my sandwich because that's how we do in New York. We don't give a f. Also, there's a really pretty green building in front of me. Never noticed it before. There's so much different architecture in New York, and it's just getting worse. And I'm bummed because it looks like it's gonna start raining. And I'm really bummed because the event is on the rooftop where the pool is. And it was like sunny. It looked like it wasn't gonna rain, and now it's looking like it's gonna rain. So bummed about that, but at least I ate. I'm early, which is new for me. I'm usually like a little late or on time. So I'm like shocked that I'm early. But I'm so sad, it looks like it's gonna rain. Let me show you. Okay, but look at this green building. Like, how pretty is this? I've never noticed this building before. And it's like different shades. Like there's like lighter green and like turquoise. Isn't it pretty? Anyway, we're going over here to the Jimmy. They have like a rooftop pool thing. And that's where the party is.
When you're naturally Italian.
Get it? We get it? One. So when we're in zero, we're gonna pause it, take on time, using the wheel of it. There you go.
Yes! Oh shit, get it in there. Oh shit! You ready? Yes, go. Oh shit, cool! It's working, it's working. Try to get yours, guys. Maybe open them on the same thing. Right. Getting there. Oh, thank you.
Brought it back. I really like it there.